Okay, we've decided to show you today what our lab looks like, and it's really pretty concise. We have stirrers here, and this here is a stirrer, this is a stirrer, this is a hot plate. You can get up here and you can see this is our wheat, or some of our flour that we use. This is the scales. This is some of the fluxes that we use. As you can see there is some of these fluxes that we use in mixing to determine what our ore is, what the value of our ore is. So we have, various glassware and all that kind of stuff. We have more fluxes down here, as you can see. We have a magnet, we have a scale, we have microscopes that have cameras on them, so we can take pictures of what we're seeing. We have different battery charger types things here. We have a AC/DC power supply for plating. We have some fluxes down there on the ground. We have some ore that we've crushed up. But this is we use flash furnaces, which is this, and it can heat ore up to 2,000. It can melt the ore 2,000 degrees in 5 minutes or less. And we have various crucibles that we use there. This is our kiln that we use to do the compelling with. We have to start this when we're getting ready to go in and do something, because it takes a while for it to get up to 2,000 degrees so that we can do our compelling to see what size of a BB we're going to get. This is some of our molds here that we have used. This is a dry film release on the molds. We have other crucibles right here. This is our ash that we use to do our compelling with. This is our 1,000-ton furnace. As you can see, it's not quite finished yet, but we're in the process of getting 100 amp service just for that. So, and then here is our gold cube that's all set up for us to start running tests with. This is the crusher that we use in the shop for small samples. It's the Crazy Crusher by my friends that make this. And then we have a small 13 horsepower crusher here that we use to also crush ore with. And as you can see, it's one that has chains. So, and this is another one that we use, bigger. This is the Monster. And so, this is what we use to crush ore, and we have our little air compressor down there to clean out these up here. So this is part of our Shaw drilling system that we have. We have the Milwaukee Hog 1680-21. So, and then we have various vacuum hoses to do different things with. This is some of the ore that we have. This is our ore from Montana, as you can see. Then we have ore from the Bubble Cave, right here. Then we have sampled of the rock from 110 feet down that we have there, then this is off part of one of our claims here, so that you can be able to see this. So we're going to be crushing this down here pretty soon, so that we can see what's in this. This is some of our. This is from Montana, and this is some of the core samples. So, and this is our black gold magnetic separator that we have here for separating magnetite from the gold from the magnetite. This is our RP4 shaker table. So we were just using it the other day, testing some ore to see as far as the gold content goes, and this is how we use it. So, and then there's our Black & Decker 300 amp that we hook to the pump to do our shaker table. So this is basically it. You know, as far as our little lab is concerned, we can do most everything here. This little blue bucket here is being set up to test for platinates. Then this is our core samples that we have down there in those boxes. So it's pretty well concise. It's small, excuse me, and efficient. And we're able to make buttons. We have buttons that we make so as we can be able to determine what their weight is, like we have here. See, these are all different buttons that we've made, so to determine gold and silver and all that by the size of the button, we can measure it and tell about how many ounces per ton there is here. So that I found pretty interesting in itself. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Bye.